Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Avensis. In this video I'll show you how to pair smartphone with car via Bluetooth. In the beginning, let's go to Setup and Bluetooth. Now, search for Bluetooth devices and on your smartphone, go to Bluetooth settings. Select your smartphone and on the smartphone confirm pairing. Accept and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.